Are you tired of endless diets that don't work? Confused by all the conflicting advice out there? Well, you're not alone. But today I'm here to tell you losing weight doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, with these 5 simple natural tips, you can start seeing results without starving yourself or giving up on your favorite foods. Stick around because tip number 5 might just change the way you think about weight loss forever. 1. Drink more water. Let's start with something simple but often overlooked: water. Drinking enough water throughout the day not only keeps you hydrated, but also boosts your metabolism. Studies show that drinking a glass of water before meals can help control your appetite, so you eat less naturally. Think about this. Every time you choose water over a sugary drink, you're taking a step closer to your goal. Small changes lead to big results. So, grab that glass and make hydration your new best friend. 2. Prioritize sleep. Did you know that your sleep could be sabotaging your weight loss journey? Sleep isn't just about rest. It's when your body repairs itself, regulates hormones, and balances your metabolism. If you're not getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, your cravings for unhealthy foods will increase, and your energy to exercise will plummet. Think about this. Every night you prioritize sleep, you're setting yourself up for success the next day. So make your bedroom a sanctuary and let sleep work its magic. 3. Move more, sit less. Here's the truth. You don't need a gym membership or hours of intense workouts to lose weight. Simply moving more during the day can make a huge difference. Whether it's taking the stairs, going for a walk, or doing a quick stretch every hour, these small actions add up. Imagine burning extra calories while doing things you already love: playing with your kids, dancing, or gardening. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Start small, and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. 4. Eat mindfully. Have you ever eaten so quickly that you didn't even taste your food? That's where mindful eating comes in. When you eat slowly, savoring each bite, you're giving your brain time to register fullness. This means you'll eat just the right amount your body needs, not more, not less. Plus, choosing nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains keeps you satisfied for longer. Remember, food is fuel, not the enemy. Every mindful meal is a step closer to a healthier you. 5. Focus on consistency, not perfection. Here's the most important tip: consistency beats perfection every time. It's not about having a perfect diet or never missing a workout. It's about showing up for yourself every day in small, meaningful ways. Celebrate your wins no matter how small they seem. Missed a workout? That's okay. Ate a slice of cake? No problem. What matters is that you get back on track. Think about this. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to the life you deserve. And there you have it. 5 simple, natural tips to help you lose weight and feel amazing. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection. Take it one step at a time, and soon you'll see the changes you've been dreaming of. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more content that inspires and empowers you. Your journey starts now, and I can't wait to see what you achieve.